Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Mini Blackstone is probably one of the most versatile cooking tools you can own, perfect for anyone with limited space or a love for outdoor grilling. Its compact design makes it ideal for balconies, patios, or even camping trips, allowing you to whip up delicious meals with ease. From perfectly seared steaks to fluffy pancakes, this griddle opens up a world of culinary possibilities. Number 5. Blackstone 2-burner 28-inch flat-top grill. This flat-top grill offers 470 square inches of cooking space, perfect for any meal. You can cook eggs, pancakes, quesadillas, and more on it. It also has shelves for storage and food prep. Ditch your old grill and upgrade to this Blackstone griddle. It's easy to use and assemble, so you can start cooking right away. Forget about charcoal and matches, this one has a simple push-button ignition. Move this grill around your yard or take it camping with you. It has a removable top, foldable legs, and caster wheels. This makes it easy to transport. Blackstone stands behind their product. If you're not happy, contact them directly or return it. They are a leader in outdoor cooking and guarantee your satisfaction. Take the headache away from outdoor cooking and spend more time enjoying the outdoors. This grill makes cooking easy and fun. It's a great addition to any outdoor space. What we like. This griddle offers a large cooking surface, perfect for preparing a variety of meals. It's also designed for easy transport, with removable griddle top and foldable legs. If you're looking for a versatile outdoor cooking solution that's easy to move and set up, this is the one for you. What people say. Cooks very fast and is easy to set up. The most appealing aspect is that there is no dripping through a grate like in traditional grills. Assembly instructions suggested 2 people. I am a single 68-year-old woman who is not physically fit, yet I was able to assemble it all by myself in under 75 minutes. Good instructions with diagrams made this one of the simplest assemblies I've had, much easier than assembling boxed furniture. Number 4. Blackstone 1971 17 Tabletop Griddle. Take this portable griddle on your next adventure. It's perfect for camping, hunting, or tailgating. This lightweight design makes it easy to carry. Cook a variety of foods for every meal on this versatile griddle. It offers 267 square inches of cooking space, enough to feed 2 to 4 people, and it's still compact. It includes non-slip feet to keep it steady while you cook. The push-and-turn ignition makes it easy to start and adjust the temperature. Plus, it has a low-maintenance stainless steel front plate. The griddle features a powerful H-style gas burner. It produces 12,500 BTUs of heat, providing even and consistent heating across the surface. Cleaning up after cooking is easy with this griddle. It features Blackstone's patented rear grease management system, making cleanup much simpler. What we like. This tabletop griddle is designed for on-the-go cooking, making it ideal for camping and tailgating. It features a powerful burner for even heat distribution, ensuring your food cooks perfectly. If you are looking for a compact and portable griddle with easy cleanup, this is a great choice. What people say. This 17 Blackstone griddle with a hood works just as well as most of the Whitey videos say the larger Blackstones work, and I'm enjoying cooking on it. After seasoning, it is non-stick and easy to clean while still hot using a scraper or heavy spatula and a squirt of water. It's the perfect size to take camping, and it's just right for cooking meals for our family of 3. This little griddle heats up evenly, making it super easy to whip up breakfast, lunch, or dinner while on the road. Number 3. Blackstone 17 22-inch Tabletop Griddle Carry Bag. This custom-designed carry bag is a perfect fit for your Blackstone 17 or 22-inch tabletop griddle. It's designed to accommodate the griddle with its hood and stand, making it easy to transport. Made with heavy-duty 600D polyester, this bag protects your griddle from the elements. It's built to withstand extreme weather conditions, keeping your investment safe while you're on the move. The bag features a heavy-duty zipper and handle for easy transport. Reinforced stitching enhances its durability, ensuring it can handle the rigors of outdoor use. Cinch straps provide a secure fit, keeping your griddle safely inside. This portable bag is crafted from high-grade materials to withstand harsh conditions, ready for any adventure. Transporting your griddle is now easier than ever. Simply invert the griddle top, slide it into the bag, and you're ready to go. This bag is designed for convenience and comfort. What we like. This carry bag is custom designed to fit your Blackstone griddle perfectly. Made from weather-resistant materials, it protects your investment from the elements. If you like to take your griddle on the go and want to keep it safe and secure, this bag is a must-have accessory. What people say. If you travel with your Blackstone, this is an essential accessory. It holds my Blackstone, stand, and the accessory bag together. Well-made carry case cover. Use this to take my grill out to the beach. Makes it so much easier to carry around as well as protect my Blackstone. This easily fit my full 22-inch griddle with stand and my cooking tool kit stuffed in the front. The whole assembly is a little heavy, but this keeps it all together. Number 2. Blackstone 1963 Pro 28 Rangetop Griddle. Gather your family around this griddle and cook up a feast. You can make burgers with fries, surf and turf, or even donuts for dessert, all on the same cooking station while enjoying the outdoors. This outdoor griddle features a side burner deep fryer with a thermometer and a stay cool handle. It lets you cook, bake, sauté, and fry for ultimate versatility. You can sear burger patties while frying fries. The extra-large 613 square inch cooking surface is big enough to feed a crowd. The individually controlled burners let you cook several foods at once without burning anything. The burners are evenly spaced to prevent hot or cold spots. This cooking griddle features 2 side shelves to prep food, built-in paper towel and trash bag holders, and a large cabinet to store your spices, utensils, and propane tank. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. If you plan on cooking bacon or any other juicy meats, cleanup can be tedious. Luckily, this griddle features a rear grease trap that collects all the mess and makes after cooking cleanup a breeze. What we like. This rangetop griddle offers a spacious cooking surface, perfect for feeding a crowd. It also includes a side burner and deep fryer for ultimate versatility. If you have a large family or love to entertain outdoors, this griddle provides everything you need in one convenient station. What people say. This Blackstone does everything we want of a griddle, and it does it well. For most cooking we have to keep the temperature dials down low, and it does an excellent job of keeping temperature. Everything cooked on here turns out absolutely delicious too. I cook on this thing almost daily. It can do everything a normal grill can plus some. We cook almost every meal on this. Number 1. Blackstone Adventure Ready 2-Burner 28 Griddle. Introducing the Blackstone Adventure Ready 2-Burner 28 Outdoor Griddle. This griddle is designed for outdoor cooking and adventure. It's perfect for your next camping trip or backyard barbecue. This griddle boasts a generous 448 square inches of cooking space. It can easily handle up to 44 hot dogs at once. Prepare a feast for your friends and family with ease. With 34,000 BTUs of power, this griddle heats up quickly and efficiently. The heat is distributed evenly across the cooking surface, ensuring perfect results every time. Made from high-quality materials, this griddle is built to last. It features a rear grease management system for easy cleanup. The built-in igniter makes it simple to get started. It has 2 heat controls for precise temperature adjustments. The legs fold in for easy portability. Take it with you wherever your adventures lead. This griddle is suitable for cooking a wide variety of foods. From breakfast to dinner, you can create delicious meals with this versatile cooking appliance. It is easy to clean after use. What we like. This griddle provides a large cooking area and even heat distribution for cooking a wide variety of foods. It's also designed for easy cleaning with its rear grease management system. If you are looking for a griddle that's easy to use and maintain, this is a great option. What people say. The Blackstone is perfect for cooking for a small group. It heats up quickly and cooks evenly. I love the way it cooks food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.